Once the skeleton is lifted, we use pneumatic grinders to carefully remove the burrs, ensuring a perfect, shiny finish for welding.
As the machine travels, a vacuum sucks up the unused flux, revealing a gleaming, perfect silver weld bead underneath.
Welding creates immense internal tension in the metal. The boom is baked at 620 degrees Celsius.
Down slowly, watching the clearance. Looks aligned, set it. Okay, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the left. Looks good. Hold it there. I'm putting the clamp on.
Check the alignment right here, point C.
Looks good. Dead center within tolerance.
The gloss levels look perfect on batch 43.
Noted. We can move this shipment.
Did you get the upper line secured?
Yes, I just marked it with the yellow pen. Okay, perfect.
Okay. Hold it right there, just a centimeter left. Okay, it's aligned. Bring the pin. Clear.
Harness connected. Did you get the main power line secured?
Yes, everything is locked in place.
This premium air suspension seat is built for extreme ergonomics, featuring integrated heating and cooling fans.
Aligning the flange now. Hit the wrench.
Okay, torque looks good on this side. Let's check the hoses.
right, pull it tight. We're set. Send the pin home.
Is the foam secure on this side? Yes, check the isolators.
A little to the left, easy now.
Clear on this side, slow down.
All right, it's sitting.
Okay, easy now, bring it down 5 more inches.
Clear on this side. Looks like we have a good seal.
Bring it down easy.
Hold it right there. Looks aligned. Get the wrench. Bring it down 5 more inches. Steady now. It's slotted. Start the bolt. Watch the rear mount. Clear. Okay, set it down. Looks good.
This nervous system connects the operator's joystick inputs to the engine's power and the computer controllers.
This is the yellow tag hose.
Does it go under or over the main block?
It goes over directly to port A. Ensure the clamp is secure.
For the marriage. In manufacturing, this process signals a major event, ensuring smooth rotation for the entire machine.
All right, lowering now, 5 feet to contact.
Looking good. Steady as she goes. Perfect alignment.
Confirmed, sending it home.
This is the rotary manifold. It allows the upper body to spin 360 degrees continuously without twisting the hydraulic hoses connected to the tracks below.
The audio is dominated by the sounds of heavy machinery in an industrial setting. There are loud,
Submerged in liquid nitrogen, these massive steel pins shrink just enough to slide into place. As they warm up, the metal expands.
Bring it down 20 slowly. 20 down, holding steady. Send the pins.
All right, easy does it, a little lower. Looks centered, we're solid.
Grease is on. Guide the H-link over. Almost there. Okay, push the pin through. It's seated. Now for the lock bolt.
Okay, pass me the auxiliary lines now.
Here they are. Make sure the armor is seated correctly.
Will do. All connections secure.
Aprieta ese tornillo.
Listo.
Revisen la parrilla. It's alive.
The technician opens the small bleeder valves on the cylinders. Hissing air escapes, followed by a steady stream of clear oil.
The boom is raised to max height, the stick extended fully, and the bucket curled. Then everything is...
Seeing it actually dig proves it's ready for work.
Hoist it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Okay, clear.
All right, bring it back just a foot. Okay, that's good. Get the chains on the chassis points. Ratchet those binders tight. We need 0 movement. All right, pull forward and stage right here by the pad. Roger that, we're stopping now. All right, hold it right there. We're clear to set the pin.
Copy that.
Coming through now.